Hey there. Have you ever wondered if Modalyst automatically fulfills your orders? It's a common question among online entrepreneurs, and I'm here to give you a clear answer. Imagine setting up your online store, finding amazing products, and then, poof, the orders start rolling in. But what happens next? Do you have to worry about packaging, shipping, and customer service? Or is there a magical solution that takes care of everything? Let's dive into the world of Modalyst. It's a popular platform that connects you with thousands of suppliers, allowing you to create your own online store without holding any inventory. Sounds great, right? But what about fulfillment? The short answer: no, Modalyst doesn't automatically fulfill your orders. While it's a fantastic tool for finding products and managing your store, the actual fulfillment process is handled by the suppliers themselves. Understanding the fulfillment process. So, how does it actually work? When a customer places an order on your store, Modalyst sends it to the supplier. The supplier then processes the order, packages the product, and ships it directly to your customer. Benefits of supplier fulfillment. No inventory. This means you don't have to tie up your capital in stock. Reduced risk. If a product doesn't sell well, you're not stuck with it. Faster fulfillment. Suppliers often have efficient processes in place for shipping. Potential challenges. While supplier fulfillment has its advantages, there are a few things to consider. Shipping times. Depending on the supplier's location and shipping method, delivery times can vary. Customer service. If a customer has an issue with their order, you may need to coordinate with the supplier to resolve it. Branding. Ensure the supplier's packaging aligns with your brand to provide a seamless customer experience. Tips for managing supplier fulfillment. Communicate clearly. Maintain open communication with your suppliers to ensure they understand your expectations. Set expectations. Inform your customers about potential shipping times and return policies. Monitor performance. Keep track of supplier performance to identify any issues and take corrective action. Additional fulfillment options. If you're looking for more control over the fulfillment process, you might consider in-house fulfillment, handling everything yourself, from packaging to shipping. Third-party fulfillment centers, outsourcing fulfillment to a specialized company. So, does Modalyst automatically fulfill orders? The answer is no. However, it provides a convenient way to source products and manage your online store. By understanding the fulfillment process and taking the necessary steps, you can ensure a smooth experience for both you and your customers. If you're ready to start your online business with Modalyst, I encourage you to check out their platform and explore the different fulfillment options available. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Modalyst, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.